How's it going, everybody? It's Dono. In this video, I'm going to be going over a couple of collaborations that I'm looking to do. And sort of the direction I'm trying to take this channel. So I'm sure you have noticed that I have not been the most consistent at putting out videos on this channel the last couple years. And I've been really thinking about what it is that I can do to sort of increase the frequency of what gets posted. I just have a ton of other projects going on and a ton of other stuff. I'm still going to be putting out videos, but I really want to start looking for more collaborations to bring more people in and just start sort of exploring what other things are out there. So this is sort of an open call out to do some collaborations with people. I have a ton of different potential ideas. So one thing is, if you're really strong in any particular aspect, right? Like if you're really strong in music theory or making beats or recording, vocals and stuff, or mixing and mastering, or writing, or if you've made a bunch of music and you're selling music, or you have a studio, or any of that kind of stuff, I would be interested in talking to people with sort of, different or even similar skill sets to mine, either to create content for this channel. And I think at some point I'm going to move this channel off of my name to something like Rap Better, right? Some other channel that's more inclusive and fitting of what's actually going on here, as opposed to just my name. But basically, if you have some expertise in one of these realms and you would be interested in making content, or, if you want to be interested in getting sort of like interviewed or talking about it, that could be of interest to me, something that I want to do. So if you fall into that category, put a comment down in the box or shoot an email. I'll make sure that's in the description so that you can reach out to me. Another thing is, I am looking at potentially getting someone to do something like break down verses and songs, right? And I might do some of these myself as well, but I think it could be interesting to sort of take a verse from a song, or maybe the whole song, and sort of break out all the rhymes or all the wordplay or whatever other thing to focus on. So if that's of interest, if that seems like something that you might want to do, or if you have ideas for songs that you would like to see sort of broken down, I am kind of considering that as one of the options. Another thing that I should mention is, for these collaborations, like I do have some money that I could put toward this project. So depending on who you are, who the person is, or the amount they want to contribute, or whatever else, we should be able to work something out that's fair relative to what the sort of input is. Anyway, another thing I've been thinking about is doing sort of like coaching conversation sessions, like something where I just talk to someone and help them work through a specific thing, record that and let everyone watch that, and then maybe, touch up the video a little bit with some extra images or whatnot to sort of highlight certain things. So that's another thing I've been considering. If that's something you'd be interested in, definitely let me know. My time is constrained, so that may or may not be something that, I need to get paid to do. But if I start doing that, I'll probably do the first couple for free just to get a feel for it, just to see what's going on. But it'd be like a coaching sort of session. Another couple things that I'm looking for, if anyone has beats or music or anything that they want to share, or sort of get out there, or have someone put a track over. I'm also looking to get back into making music. I'm in sort of the Portland area. If anyone's around here that wants to collaborate, or has a studio, or knows somebody or anything like that, let me know, because I'm going to be looking at making a little bit more content in that way, or making some music. But yeah, so overall, I'm basically just looking to bring more people in, because I need to sort of spread this project a little bit more to other people. And I know there are a lot of other really talented people out there. So if you're interested or have ideas, or any of the things I've mentioned sound interesting to you, let me know. Other than that, that's all I've got for this video. So as always, if you got questions, comments, topics I'm going to cover, anything related to this collaboration stuff, throw it in the comment box or shoot me an email. Get back to you as soon as I can, and I'll see you next time. If you enjoyed this video, please take a second to like and subscribe, as it really helps. I've also got a second channel, How to Happy, which focuses on health and well-being. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.